Hey, it's Sam here, and today I'm taking a look at the new yellow ceramic keycap set V2 by Cerakey. This set is priced at $135 is available blank or with legends, and comes with 114 keys in the set. The keycaps come packed nicely in this box as you can see, and before I show you what's included, do remember to subscribe for more content like this. So included in the box is a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, 2 extra switches which have a heavier spring inside to support the spacebar and bigger keys if needed. Besides that, there's the Set A box which has all of the alpha keys as indicated at the back, and they are packed nicely in this protective plastic case to ensure they don't chip or knock into each other during shipping. This is the same for the Set B box which has the other keys as indicated at the back. I think it's really handy to have these indicators for easy storage and use as well. The Set C box is the smallest and it's basically just all of the keys for the numpad, and it comes packed nicely too. Alright, taking a closer look at these new yellow ceramic keycaps, I would say that the color is definitely very nice and the yellow really pops out. They are cherry profile as usual and use the same alumina ceramics with the stain being ABS plastic. The white legends are printed on top and they do look sharp and clean, but I would say they are kinda hard to see when printed on this bright yellow color. When testing the keycaps, I realized that they are slightly translucent. If you look closely, you can see the RGB shining through the ceramics slightly. It looks kinda cool in my opinion, and this is how the keycaps will look with the RGB on if you're wondering. Tapping on them feels nice with a slight hint of coldness from the ceramic, and the glossy finish provides some grip to your fingers too. The keycaps are around 1.3 to 1.5mm thick, which is the same with regular ABS and PBT keycaps. But as for the weight, ceramic keycaps are definitely heavier. As an example, the keyboard here is the INKY 75 and it weighs just around 1.8 kg or 4 pounds with its double shot PBT keycaps. And with the ceramic keycaps installed, the keyboard is now over 2 kg or 4.5 pounds. So if you're planning on using ceramic keycaps, do keep in mind that it will make your keyboard heavier. Alright, to test how these keycaps sound, I'll be using the INKY 75 keyboard and comparing the sound to double shot PBT keycaps. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Okay, here are my thoughts on the new Cerakey yellow ceramic keycaps. Honestly, these are nothing different with the same talky sound profile and glossy finish. They are still the same high quality ceramic keycaps, but now in this brighter color which might be too bright for the legends to be honest. Anyways, if you're looking for something to spice up your keyboard with, do check out the Cerakey Ceramic Keycap Set V2 linked in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to Cerakey for the keycaps and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.